we're going to very quickly deal with the equation of a circle and then see how we can use that to find its tangents. In GCSE Maths, the equation of a circle is really quite simple because they only have equations of circles centred on the origin. So in your sketch, it's a circle, y goes that way, x goes that way. You draw the circle, and all the circles centred on the origin, I don't care if I've drawn it properly or not, have the same basic equation. This one's got, goes through 5 there, goes through 5 there, goes through -5 there, and -5 there, and mark off 0 so we can say clearly what's going on here with this, this graph. The equation of this circle is x squared plus y squared equals 5 squared. Or if you want, x squared plus y squared equals 25. So if they give me another circle and they tell me the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared equals 81, then I know that 81 is 9 squared, and I know the circle they're describing to me is exactly the same shape as what I've done up there. The only difference is it's got a radius of 9, that's all. Draw the circle, give it a radius of 9. So there's your basic principle for circles. The circle has an equation. The equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared equals 5 squared. 5 is the radius, so x squared plus y squared equals 25. This one, they give you the equation x squared plus y squared equals 81. You know 81 is the radius squared, so the radius is 9. The circle looks like this. It's a circle, centre the origin, goes through 9, 9, minus 9, minus 9. There's no more thinking than that. That's the equation of the circle. That's how you work it out. If you've got that sorted out, then we can move on to the next bit, the tangents to a circle. So let's find a tangent to this circle. Now 3, 4 is a particular point on this circle. So let's find the point 3 along, 4 up. So it's about here, 3, 4. I know that 3, 4 is a point on this circle because I know that x squared plus y squared equals 5 squared. And if I take the point 3, 4, then 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 9 plus 16 equals 25. So that works. That is a point on this circle. Okay? I know that's a point on this circle. Now I want to work out the equation of a tangent that goes through 3, 4. So my next job is to just draw that tangent on. It looks like this. It goes through 3, 4. It touches the circle. So it has to touch the circle and not go through the circle. It's going to go down and cross the y-axis a bit above 5. The x-axis beyond 5. Let's see if we can get the equation of that line. Firstly, do we know the slope of that line? Not yet. But we do know the slope of the line from 0 to 3, 4. So this line here. Once you've worked that slope out, we can then work out the slope of the line. Let's work out that slope. So the slope of the line, radius r, has slope, goes along, sorry, goes rise over run, my apologies. We'll call it m, a normal notation for gradient. M equals rise over run equals 4 over 3. So we know the radius r has slope m equals rise over run equals 4 over 3. That's the slope of the radius. The tangent is perpendicular. So tangent, we'll call the tangent t. Is perpendicular to r. We have an equation, m prime equals -1. M is 4/3, so 4/3 times m prime equals -1, where m prime is radiant of t. Well, let's solve that. M prime equals -3/4. Just rearrange that equation. 4/3 m prime is -1, times by 3, divide by 4. Then we have t prime. So for t is such that, nice abbreviation and notation there, t is such that y equals m prime x plus c. I have two things I know. Given m prime, I know, is -3/4, and the point 3, 4 on t, 4 equals m prime minus 3/4 times x, which is 3, plus c, equals -9/4 plus c. That implies that c equals 4 plus 9/4 equals, let's turn this into over 4, 16 plus 9, 25/4. T is such that, it's two dots just mean is such that, y equals, I've got m prime, -3/4, x, and 25/4. That's the equation of t. T, the tangent, is such that y equals -3/4 x plus 25/4. Sometimes you'll be asked to present this in a particular way. In particular, they might ask you to present it as ay plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, perhaps c as well, are integers. That means they're whole numbers, which we don't have at the moment. So let's begin. We've got 4 on the bottom and 4 on the bottom. So we multiply by 4. 4y equals -3x plus 25. Well, now they're all integers. Rearrange it. We want some number of y's, we've got that already. Some number of x's on the same side as the y's, the c on the same side as the y's. So 4y plus 3x. Take away 25 equals 0. You might ask for that form. You can see, having got to this point here, it's just a case of multiplying through and rearranging. I think I'll give myself full marks.